Hi, Eric here. Tonight I thought I would just go with Simai and just show you what kind of street food is available 1 block from our home, less than a block from our home. Now in Southeast Asia, street food is an important part of life. It's inexpensive, it's quickly made, it's the fast food of Asia if fast food was $1 or $2 or even less in some cases. So let's just see what we have. Well, of course, we're going to have noodles. This is what this stand is. There's always noodles pretty much everywhere. Here's some fruit and some sandwiches. Let's move along. See what else we've got. So I see this all over Phnom Penh, and I don't confess to know exactly what it is. So sorry, that's the best description I can give you, I'm afraid. It's something that I don't know what it is. Okay, I'm just going to try to cross the street now without getting run over. Always a challenge. Okay, whew. Here we are. Here we have just some various chicken parts. These very, very popular clams that you see pretty much everywhere in Phnom Penh. And fried chicken. There's the fried chicken right there. And ducks. Not just any ducks, but ducks that are rotating over and over again forever. I checked and a whole duck is about $10. And really, that's not a bad price. I mean, $10 for a duck, a delicious rotating duck. So, okay, here we have a restaurant. Most of these places have lots of seating for you. And of course, in these little plastic chairs, more noodles. So this looks like fruit, but it's not. It's actually a fresh fruit drink stand, and they'll take any fresh fruit that you want that you can see here, and there's a lot, and they'll turn it into a fresh smoothie for you. So fantastic. Anytime that you're going to see these breadsticks, that's actually for sandwiches. You can see one sandwich being made right there, about $2. Here you have snakehead fish sitting here looking at you with their mouths open, saying, "Oh, why did you eat us? Why did you eat us? So sad." But what's not sad is their taste. They are extremely delicious. I know that they look kind of gruesome, but they are super delicious. So I don't know who this guy is, but he's very popular. You can see he must make very good food because he has yeah, America. Okay. Oh. Good to meet you. You can tell that this man is very good at making chicken, because look at all the people that are waiting here for him. Good to meet you. So the rule when it comes to any kind of a street food is, if you don't know if it's good or if it's bad, just look for the longest line. That's the rule. So whoever has the longest line usually has the best food. So at some point we're gonna have to come back and try some of this chicken. So what else do we have? We have a lot more clams. We have tuna fish based sandwiches. We have various chicken parts. You can get your chicken heads, you can get your chicken feet, you can get your chicken intestines. Here's your pig ears. So pretty good. Here we have another fantastic rotating chicken display. Here we have watermelons. So watermelons here run about $1. Now they're not huge watermelons. They're about as big as your head, but I mean, for $1, it's fantastic. Look at these delicious ducks and chickens. Boy, they just look so good. Look at that. So if we go around the corner, you're gonna find another little street with some street food. Here you have, I don't know what they're called, They're called doughy soy slash vegetable things. I don't know. I see them in Thailand. And then here on this side we have all kinds of fish. See, like look at these fish here. Look at these fish. Got some chickens. Got some more fish. Yet more fish. Got some snake heads. We got some of these walking catfish, which we used to keep in our pond. They're cooking the food right here on the street. And in fact, I was so busy paying attention to the video, I almost ran right into that grill. People in Cambodia love to show off for the camera. Cambodia. Here's just various food you just mix with some rice. Just pick whatever you want. So there's actually quite a lot of food here. Oh, let's make way for the Rolls Royce here. Okay, there we go. Not the car you'd expect to see here, but okay, why not? And to wrap it up, we have looks like sugarcane juice, so that looks pretty tasty. And again, a nice wide variety of delicious fishes ready for your consumption. That's steaks and some pretty big fish right there. Of course, you can get rice, you can get meat on a stick, and then another wide variety of fish and chicken. So yeah, everything here looks pretty good, and everything here is very, very cheap. You could eat for a week on the price that you would pay in America to eat for a day. So the food here is good. It's inexpensive. It's extremely fresh, fresher than you can get in the States typically, unless you own a farm. So yeah. Well, that was tonight's tour of the street food near our home. Different nights you have different items that you can buy and eat, but they're all delicious, they're all inexpensive, and everyone's always very friendly. So I hope you enjoyed this little walking tour, and if you did, please like and subscribe and leave a comment, and I hope you have a great day.